Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to finish them off. Now I know mine's only 3, but if you've done your 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever flowers amount you need, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to finish them. And the reason I'm going to show you 2 different ways is because you may or may not have the extra room to do both types of ends. The first one is very much like what you had just done on your pattern. You pick up your 3, you make your diamond, and you move to the top. Now, once you're at the top, you're going to pick up, it's your option, but usually about 5 to 7, okay? And then go back around that single top. Now, if you choose to, for strength, you can actually go back around it again, just to make sure that it's super strong, and then just wind your thread once you've got your tension pulled tight back through, following the path of the thread. And what I mean is following the path of the thread is, if you watch, there's a thread here, so I know I can put my thread there. Okay, there's a thread going there, so I know I can put my thread there, and then just move it along and then tie it off. Okay, 2 reverse slip knots, right over left, left over right, will do a tie, but I like to be really safe and actually do that twice. So right over left, left over right, and then just to make even more sure, I do what's called tucking the tail. I move the tail along a little ways. Okay, now the other way you can do it, if you don't have as much room, is to simply take your single seed bead and add 5 to 7 and go right through here. If you want, you can go back through it again just to make it extra strong, and then follow your path. Okay, so you can see the difference in the length. This one is really close up to the beads, this one stands out more. So it just kind of depends on how much room you have that in between the flowers to do your clasp. Okay, now I know I haven't tied this one off. Actually, I need to tie it a little bit so the rings don't pull it. I'm going to show you how to add your rings. Now, I use a tool called a jump ring ring. It is something that a lot of people have never heard of, but it is not a new product. And what it is this little ring you see on my index finger, or my pointer finger. Okay, the new ones are a little bit different, but it's the same concept. And what this does is it helps you to open jump rings. So you hold the jump ring with a pair of pliers, and then you can open and close it with this tool. You will get much more used to it as time goes on. Now, one thing that I encourage you to do if you're making chain or a longer strap is to open one, add 2. Okay, and why you do this is, now when I open one, I go to the bottom of that, and now I've added 3 for the price of 1 opening. Then I add these on. One end, of course, will have the clasp, and I gave you all swivel clasps, which are my favorite clasps, not just for my customers, but for myself. Every necklace that I have pretty much has one of these wonderful lobster claw swivel clasps, because as you go to put it on, it doesn't matter where it's at. It's easy to grab hold of. Okay, and then on the other side, you guys got a little heart. Oop. That one got a little bent anyway, so I'm going to start with this one. You guys got a little heart. This is my symbol. It comes on all of my jewelry. It's my dragonfly. And so you just add the chain. Normally you would add the chain onto this end, not the end with the lobster claw, but you can add it to whichever side you want. And sometimes the seed beads get in the way. There they go. Nope, that one's still, there it goes. Okay. And so you have your bracelet when you're done. Simple and easy. So now go make your bracelets. Please, please, please post pictures. And I will have the 7th BeadALong posted soon. I hope you all join me. And remember to check out Krafty Max for patterns and any of your beaded creations. Thank you.